What if I told you one small word spoken with faith can change hunger into hope and fear into peace? This is not just a story. This is a reminder of Bismillah and trusting Allah. In a quiet village, far from the busy cities of the USA and UK, there lived a poor but honest man named Yusuf. The village was small, mud houses, narrow roads. People knew each other by name and by heart. Yusuf worked as a daily laborer. Some days he earned money, some days nothing. But one thing never changed. Before every meal, before every step, Yusuf softly said, Bismillah. One evening, Yusuf came home tired. His pockets were empty. His children were hungry. His wife looked at him and said, there is no food left, not even flour. The room went silent. The children sat quietly. No complaints, no tears, just empty stomachs and hopeful eyes. Yusuf felt pain in his chest. He whispered to himself, Ya Allah, you are the provider. Then he smiled gently and said, let us say Bismillah first. His wife looked surprised. Bismillah. With no food, Yusuf nodded. Allah is bigger than our problem. Just then, there was a knock on the door. His stranger stood outside. He looked tired and hungry. He said, I was traveling. I have not eaten all day. Can you help me? Yusuf had nothing, yet his heart was full. He invited the man inside. His wife quickly cooked the last small handful of rice she had saved. They all sat together. Before eating, Yusuf said clearly, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. They took the first bite. Something strange happened. The food did not finish. Everyone ate. The children ate fully. The guest ate peacefully. And still, food remained. Tears filled Yusuf's eyes. The guest stood up to leave. Before going, he said, Brother, I am not a normal traveler. I am someone sent to test your trust. He placed a small bag on the table. It was filled with money. Allah gives more to those who trust him. The man left. Yusuf fell into sujood. His wife cried, not from fear, but from faith. Dear viewer, this story is not about magic. It is about faith. When you say Bismillah, you invite Allah into your life. When you trust Allah, even empty hands can become full. Maybe today you are worried about money, about future, about life. Remember this. Say Bismillah. Do your best and leave the rest to Allah, because trust in Allah never returns empty, and that is the real blessing.